everyone, welcome to another fun-filled video. This one is about making clips and helping your boy out. Yes. My name is Bun Buns or Ginge, whatever you want to call me. Just don't call me late for dinner because I would never ever be late for free food. Now, some of you want me to make more shorts as to where I'm like freaking out, stuff like that. Or just anything in between. Doesn't always have to be freakouts, but that was the one most requested one I got. Now, in order to do that, of course, it would require getting said part of footage of freakout to be able to make into a short, of course. Now, what you see here, of course, is the page that I made of clips for my own channel. All here. These were all live streams. I went back to the live stream after it was done over with. And after it was done doing whatever YouTube shenanigans I needed to do, and I went back and tried to remember the times as to what I thought was funny and tried to clip as to what I, went on. This here is my YouTube channel. Right over here somewhere is a subscribe button. You should click on that subscribe button. And also thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing as always. So if you want to know how to make a clip, it's very, very simple. Like extremely simple. I am just going to basically move my mouse as to anywhere I'm going to do on this particular video here. You can also go back to my live streams and do the same thing. And when I'm live, you can also do it there as well. After here, you're like, haha, this is a funny moment. Or, amazing moment. Or like, oh my God, wow. Bun Bun's so good at this part. That never happens, by the way. The community never ever fucking thinks that. Anyways, you hit the clip. It's a pair of scissors. That's how you know you did it right. It's a pair of scissors. Yeah. And it'll pull up a window right next to it all. And all you gotta do is just adjust how long you want the clip to be, because a clip is just literally a small little version of the video. Sometimes the smaller you make it, the funnier and out of context it is. Or the bigger you make it, sometimes it's just kind of like, oh, why? Even I make minute-long clips. I'm like, oh, I gotta edit a whole bunch of crap out in between. And then you gotta add just a little title. You don't even need to do a description or anything. And then you just create clip. And then it pops up this little window. So then you just copy and paste it. And if you're in my Discord, you can put in my Twitch clips room. And some of you already do that, and I want to say thank you for doing that, because I really appreciate it, because it makes it easier for me. Yes, a lot easier for me. But that's it. So please help me out. I really would appreciate it. I would be greatly appreciative of it, and I wouldn't be able to thank you enough for that, because it saves me so much time than having to go back trying to remember things that I've done. And also, there's probably things where it's funny for you and funny for others, and I'm just like, oh my God, why? So there's that too. So always keep that in mind, just because I think it's funny, you probably won't think it's funny, and vice versa, But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And most of all, thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. It really helps us out and everything. And let's go. Let's get to our first, goal of 500 subscribers, and let's do it. And if you don't subscribe today, your mom's a big hoe. So I would know, because my mom's a big hoe. She doesn't subscribe to me. Anyways, love you guys. Please be safe out there. Make good choices with consent. Touch a boob. I'll see you guys in the next video.